Good morning, children. Today we will do an addition quiz together. 3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 to 1 equals 4 minus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 to 2 equals 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now that you've mastered the basics, take the next step and become confident in math and English. Subscribe to www.grade1to6.com for just $25 a year or 2,000 rupees a year and enjoy unlimited downloads of high-quality worksheets for grades 1 to 6. Our resources are aligned with PYP IB, Common Core, UK National Curriculum, Singapore, New Zealand, Australian Curriculum, and even CBSE. Giving every child the global edge they deserve.